I had zero experience in manufacturing. And a lot of the applicants that come in the door, they don't have any experience. And I always tell them, listen, if you are willing to show up, you're willing to work at it, there's something here for you. My name is John Fortin. I'm a value stream coach for Super Abrasives. I'm responsible for the front end of the business. So we do all the mixing, molding, and firing of our product. My great-grandfather started working here. My grandfather, my dad, my uncle, I've had some aunts work here through over the years. That's how I found out. I graduated high school in '07. My dad was like, okay, you're doing college, but you're not really like planning on doing anything with it. I got an opening at Norton, Saint-Gobain, and why don't you give it a shot? So I did, and then I was a molder for 4 years. It was actually a pretty good job. It wasn't too long after that, I found out I had a baby on the way. So that made things pretty serious. So I was like, okay, if I'm gonna stick around, I gotta like make a career of this. How can I move up throughout the business? I became an autonomous team leader, and that opened up a lot of doors. 8 years after that, a supervisor job came up, so a value stream coach job. And here I am today. Any new situation I'm always kind of a little anxious about, right? It's the unknown. But after like the second day of training and everybody's starting to really understand what's going on, you feel a lot more comfortable with it. You leave with some new skills. They pair you up with generally a senior operator, someone who really knows what they're doing. Your supervisor wants you to succeed. Your whole team wants you to succeed. So they really helped you out a lot. I think a lot of people get the impression that it's like, oh, it's just unskilled labor and it's just people pushing a button all day. And like that could not be further from the truth from what we do. Like some of these guys are grinding wheel artists. Nobody else does this stuff. It's a rare trade. I'm really focused on being the best supervisor that I can be. Like the best part of my day is interacting with them when I get to. There's some times where everything's just going perfect and we're all winning and we're all succeeding. And that's like an awesome feeling to know that like, all right, we did this as a team. I'm trying to be humble about it, but it's like, honestly, if I look back, I came here as a kid, right? I was about 20 years old. It started off as just a job, but then like I realized, oh, wait a second. I can make this a real career. Like I can go places, there's opportunity for here. If you want a real job where you can make a decent living, this is a good option. Everybody here is very welcoming. Our trainers are great. Our supervisors are great. My plant manager's been awesome. Like, it's gonna make sure you have a good life.